Namaste and a wonderful good afternoon to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Globally Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skill. My name is Khushi Sekhar and I am from Ghosi. I am going to start my speech and my speech name is Unity is Strength. Unity is a whole as joint as one. It does not matter whether it is between 2% or 2 billion people when they are on same page and work for the betterment of each members. That's line unity. It is true because people work as a team and teamwork is more valuable to bring people together. The famous quote, united we stand, divided we fall, truly capture the essence and spirit of unity is strength. Earlier we were the service of British Empire because they divided and conquered us. They could do that because we all live as together as a society from a nation. The word together deceived unity. If we are not together and fight against each other, the life will be miserable. There won't be a single step towards development. Rather, what we are now, we lost that also and find down critically downward. I'd like to conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me.